Okay, let's go up to the third floor to 214 Dryden Road to see the rooms up on that floor. Let's go on up. We've come up the stairs. We're going to take a look. And on the top of the landing here, there's a doorway. So there's a door here. And we have a landing that has a refrigerator for your use on this floor. And over on our left, we have the bathroom for this floor. Let's take a look. We have a standing shower in here, which is nice. And the toilet and the sink over on this side. So it's a full bathroom on this third floor for the use of the tenants. Let's take a look at the bedrooms. We have some of the best bedrooms in the house up on this floor. All of the bedrooms are different in this house, which is a unique setup. So let's go into room 31 first. We will often call this the archway room because of this fun feature right here, this decorative arch along the middle. It makes a great space for decorating in here. This one has a unique closet as well. We'll take a look at that. Let's go on into room 31. So again, all the bedrooms will always have the full-size bed, a dresser, a desk and chair, and a bookshelf. The furniture may vary, but this is what we have in here this year. See the dresser over here. This one has one window over on the east side. And let's go and we will take a look in the closet over here on the right. This closet is great. It's got a shorter door. We're gonna go on in, and it is huge and it is deep, but short. So this is a fantastic closet space here on this third floor, room 31. We'll go back around the stairs, around the hallway, and we'll see the other rooms. So we're going towards the front of the house. Let's take a look. Over on our left is room 32. This is one of the smallest rooms in the house, and it has a unique feature. This is the room that has the fire escape stairwell off the outside of the window. You're required to have two ways out of any third floor. So one would be the main stairs, the second would be the fire escape. Because it is the fire escape room, it does have this specific special door mechanism. You still have a deadbolt lock on your door. You can still lock your door, but you can bypass that lock. In case of an emergency, it will alarm if somebody does go through that, so that people can access the fire escape, which is out the window. You are not allowed to block the window for fire code reasons. So let's go in and take a look. Again, this is one of the smallest rooms in the house. There is that fire escape required by city codes, of course, and still the same furnishings. The bed, this one right now has a twin bed that does fit a little better in this room, so keep that in mind. Pay attention to the closets as we go through the rooms. Some of the closets will have doors, some of the closets will not have doors. Again, all the rooms are different. This one has a door, and it's still a pretty good sized closet. Okay, so that's room 32. Let's go around and see room 33. So this will be on the very front of the house. As we go into the room, I've got the door open right here. That first door is the closet. We'll take a look at that. This is one of the two rooms that has the pitched ceiling. This is on the left, and this is a lot of floor space. This is a great room. Look at how bright it is in here. So we're on the third floor. This is the afternoon. We are facing south. You get a gorgeous south view. Collegetown, there's the Brazano Family Center out there. Again, with the furnishings, the bed, dresser, desk and chair, bookshelf. Furnishings do vary, but it looks like we have dark furnishings in here this year. So one of the two rooms with the slant walls on the one side, because we're at the front pitch of the house. Let's take a peek in this closet as we go by. Okay, so another regular size closet with a door. Let's go see room 34. That's the next room. Okay, over here, the other room with the slant wall on the one side, but also another large room. Take a look at this. There is so much floor space in here. This is a great set of windows at the front. Let's take a look at a closet since we're right by here. So here's a closet without a door. So keep that in mind. Closet with no door. And this great set of windows here at the front. I love where they put the bookshelf in this room for the placement over here, tucked away. And you can see everything, again, has great floor space. And these windows out facing towards Dryden Road. So this is room 35. 4. And let's go around and see room 35. It's the last bedroom on this floor. Okay, room 35 wraps around, and you'll come in here. You're gonna notice this is the largest bedroom in the house. So we've got the full bedroom. A lot of times people will bring extra furniture up here and really get this space set up nicely. So we've got the bed over here. As we're coming in, you can see we've got the 3 windows, but let's take a look over here. We have this whole extra space in here. Sometimes you set it up as kind of a dressing room. Right now we have the desk in here, so you've got the extra window, the desk and chair, bookshelf over here, all this space here in this room. So you get a whole second room in this bedroom. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4 windows. You can see Dryden Road over here, Collegetown Court, and closet over here. Another closet with no door, another slightly shorter closet, but it is pretty wide. So that's a look at the rooms on the 3rd floor here in 214 Dryden Road. You'll need to watch all 3 different videos. It's a big house, so we have this broken up into a series of videos, but that's a look at the 3rd floor at this house, 214 Dryden Road. We're just up from the corner of College Ave and Dryden Road, and from the corner we are just 1 block from campus.